In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the Rest-Eazzzy portable dog, maybe cat, pet playpen. Check this out. I have Mally in here. You see her in there, and there's our little buddy Remo. So I got both of these in here. And by the way, this comes in a small, medium, large. This is the medium size here, and I'm just going to go over some of the features of this thing. So number one, it's a very portable item. You see how big it is here, but I put this thing together in maybe around about 3 minutes. I will break it down and show you. All you got to do is watch me break it down, then do that in reverse, and you'll know how to put it up. They got used to it pretty quick in there. So this is something that'll be great if you're going somewhere, say you're in a park or something, you want to take the dog with you and you want to put them out there and they don't run off. This is something I recommend. It has the water bottle holder right here, and then it has a small treats thing right here, and I like these treats. These are the dream bones. Look at them. See, they want the dream bones. You want some dream bones? And so the pockets right there. The zippers is where you can actually lock the zippers, because some dogs are smart enough to kind of unzip things. So you see what this is? You can lock those zippers together on the top, on the side, and I can lock these zippers together like this. Check this out. See, because neither one of these dogs jump that high, I can roll this up. And it's kind of like a tent thing. It just rolls around, and see how it can open, and it's open top right here. I don't think either one of them jump out. They have not jumped out yet. And if I want to move it around, I got two handles right here. Let's say if I just want to open the door, there is Velcro right here. It rolls up. I'm going to let them out here in a minute, and I'll break it down and show you, because it does come in this bag right here. See how small that bag is? So you would keep this like in the trunk of your car, behind your seat, under your seat, or something like that. Mally, don't eat that. But check it out. So we got them in there. So let's open it up and watch them run out here. So this right here rolls up just like this. So let's say I want them where they can go in and out of the pen. There they go. They're gone now. I have to catch them now. So then this Velcro just kind of locks like that, and that's how the doors can open and close right here. But let me go ahead, break this thing down, and let me show you guys how easily you can break this thing down. And by the way, if you want to lock these zippers, all you got to do is pull that little lever right there. Now the zipper's locked. So check that out. The dog can't undo the zippers, and the first time you think that they'll be like, oh, my dog won't do it, trust me, they will do it. I'm going to zip it all up. To take this thing apart, you see this right here? It's basically these two tent stakes. Well, I call them tent stakes, just like that. So there's one. Watch how fast I can do this. There's two. By the way, they will pull apart on you when you pull on them, so just push them out. And of course, as soon as I do this, the neighbor gets his leaf blower out, as always. It's kind of mandatory. I think he has a code on my phone when he knows I'm filming one of these videos for y'all. And that's it, everybody. Now what it does, it folds down, and then you're just going to kind of like twist it over like this in itself. This might not be completely perfect. This was always the part that was a little bit confusing to me, but you know what? I was able to get it in the bag. Goes that once you get it where you want it, that thing will go around it and kind of hold it in place a little bit. It does get a little smaller, everybody. Once you get it to this point, so once you get it to this point right here, grab all of your stakes, or not, I mean your poles, not really your stakes. You don't want to lose any of these. Slide those down in there and then zip the rest of it up. And there you go. And then it's good. I could actually put my treats and water bottle inside of here too, but so this right here would go in the trunk of your car, down in the under the seat, or maybe in the back seat or something like that. You'd take it to the park. Everything you need is right there together. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Rest-Eazzzy pet playpen. See you all in the next video.